God eftermiddag. Mit navn er Helle Høgh, og jeg skal præsentere Dansk Implementeringsnetværk. That was a snap of Danish, a language spoken approximately by 5 million people. My name is Helle Høgh, and I'm the chairwoman of the Danish Implementation Network, and I will make a short presentation of what we are doing in Denmark. In daily talk, we say that Danish Implementation Network is called DIN. And I know that Dean Fixen thinks that we actually named it after him, but we didn't, Dean. But it's a nice reminder. The Danish Implementation Network is a fairly young network. It's 3 years old, established in 2012. It was initiated by attendees of the Global Implementation Conference in 2010 in Washington, D.C., with the purpose of advancing implementation science, practice, and policy in the welfare sectors in Denmark, and promote the application of implementation knowledge into practice of the benefit of end users and communities. DIN supports the work of the GIC, the EIC, and also the Nordic Implementation Interest Group, which one of our colleagues will present later. And hopefully in 2018, we will be hosting the next Nordic Implementation Conference in Denmark. We are trying to make an effort to make that become true. Our organization, we have a board of 10 persons who work on a voluntary basis, and we represent, it's a broad board with representing different welfare sectors: healthcare, social services, employment, education, research institutions, NGOs, and private purveyor organizations. So it's a combination of people with practice experience, research experience, and government administrators. We have individual and organizational memberships. Right now we have around 20 organizational memberships in Denmark, and more or less the same of individual members. We have different activities in our network. We have a series of afternoon seminars, which are open and it's free to attend. We have an annual conference, and actually last Wednesday we had our annual conference where Susan Michi was the keynote speaker. In Denmark, implementation science is not well established within the universities, so we have just initiated a new initiative called DIN Research, where we are trying to gather researchers from the various disciplines of the welfare sectors to create an implementation research network, which we hope we will be able to launch next year. We also have our first publication in Danish, which 3 of the board members have been editors: Bianca Albers, myself, and our colleague Hans Monsen. And we're really proud to be able to launch this book, which has been in process for almost a year, and we launched it last Wednesday at our annual conference. So we have different initiatives we are working on, and we are in progress, and we hope that we will be able to join in and do a contribution to the European Implementation Collaborative.